Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.
This is a 2005 Volkswagen Passat. It features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. With an EPA estimated rating of 38 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle helps leave money in your pocket where you want it. Its top features include a sunroof, heater vents for rear-seated passengers, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a premium audio system, a CD player, a traction control system, an anti-lock braking system, and it's easy to see why this automobile is an excellent choice. This Volkswagen has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Now that you've seen the car of your dreams, come see the dealer of your dreams. Sewell. Service, sales, and efficiency so obsessive, you'll want to pinch yourself.